Ikaw ang sunshine ko, nangangatili. Like well. Thank you, Lovey. Hello po. Adam, hello. David, Hearthstone, hello. Hi, Adam. How are you? Boss love, hello. What do you mean? I will translate, Adam. Hala, I don't have translator. I don't know what do you mean, Adam. Malayo ka ba? Oo, malayo ako sa bayan. What you do right now? Doing washing plate, Adam. Why? Washing plate right now, but ano? But I finished na. I'll go to the room. Ay, wala pala akong room. To my house na. I'm styling my house. Oh, washing dishes. Yeah, washing dishes. Dishes? Hi, Dad. Okay. How about you? What are you doing now, Adam? Hi, Ram. Good morning. I'm at work now. Just my break time. Where are you from? Where are you from now? I'm from now. Yeah. I try to visit you too. Oh, really? You try to visit me? Why? Do you miss me? I joke. Jonas Smith, came my place. Then, where are you from? Somewhere in downtown. What is, no, where is part of, I see. Adam, you have this maybe for me, Adam. 28 to Dakota pa ako eh. Glad to see by the way. Glad to see you, Adam. Nice to meet you. You are right side person. Hey, Tiki. Si may background sa hat na. Sigit lang guys. Up. Paano? 80. Up. Ha? Good morning. How are you? Up. 80. Thank you, Lauren. 80. Hi, thank you. How are you? I'm good, AP. How about you, AP? Guys, help me. Ano?